brief video is just an explanation about your final research project. Before you begin your project, please make sure to read all of Lesson 7 and watch the videos. That will help you understand how to approach a peer-reviewed essay, which basically is the focus of this assignment. You're going to be taking a peer-reviewed article, or you can choose two, and then you're going to use that article to interpret your chosen play. So these are the assigned articles. You can choose one or two, and the first couple are based upon the importance of being earnest. The second are on Pygmalion. The third is on Taming of the Shrew. The fourth is Richard III. And the fifth is Macbeth. So you choose one of these prompts, choose one of these articles, and you're going to answer the prompt question using that article and the primary source. And remember, a primary source is the original literary work. A secondary source is a source that discusses the primary source. These secondary sources are scholarly peer-reviewed articles, and you will need to read and understand this article in order to answer the assignment prompt. You also need to make sure you've read the primary source as well, but that goes without saying. So like the assignment directions explain, you need to make sure you use the assigned secondary source in addition to the primary text, in addition to the play. You need to actually cite the source. You need to actively use that source in your essay. Don't just add one citation. You need to focus on that secondary source as well as the primary one. It needs to be 1,000 to 1,200 words. You need to make sure to include an outline with your essay. This outline should be the first page of the essay itself. You do not need to have a particular format. You just need to show your instructor that you have done some planning for this assignment. It goes without saying that you should not plagiarize, and it goes without saying that this should be an MLA format. If you're not sure about MLA format, please be sure to look at your instructor's notes on your essay that you handed in for week 2. This will be checked using turnitin.com. Again, these are the sources, but I'm going to pull up one of those sources. I'm going to pull up the Play of Codes, and that is number 3 for Pygmalion. So this is the Play of Codes and Systems. I went ahead and clicked on this particular link, and it pulled up the article for me. So what I'm going to do is, before I even begin my essay, I'm going to read through this article and remember the discussion that was in Lesson 7 about how to approach these sorts of articles: introduction, thesis, literature review, analysis, and conclusion. All right, so I'm going to read for that. It may or may not have those particular components in particular, but it will be discussing that primary source that you're going to use. In this case, it's Pygmalion. So I'm going to read through this, then I'm going to pull up Pygmalion and agree or disagree with that particular article. Let's go ahead and move back. Do you agree with your chosen article's argument? So I'm going to read this, decide whether or not I agree with the argument, and then I'm going to write my essay. Now, I wanted to show you one quick thing. When you decide to write this essay, note that the actual article, the database, will help you with your citations. So let's go ahead and pull up the citation methods, and you are going to use MLA. So you just need to scroll down, find MLA 9th edition, go ahead and cut, and then you're going to paste that into your essay. And just to give you a little help here, I'm going to pull up a Word document and show you how to make a hanging indent, because sometimes that's a little confusing. So go to the top of your Word document, click on Format, then click on Paragraph. Okay, you're going to see this information right here. Put it to 0, change the line spacing to double, and then see where it says Special, click on that, click on Hanging, and then it's going to create a hanging indent for you. Little trick there. In any case, I wish you all the best with your assignment. Your instructor wishes you the best as well. I hope you enjoy it. And you're just about done. Congratulations.